Hello friends, welcome to our channel Civil Organization. In our civil industry, before we started construction, we calculated some amount of budget. But after finalizing the project, the cost of project are higher than the budget of amount. So, how to reduce cost of construction? For cost reduction, we can use low cost construction. So what is a low cost of construction? Low cost construction is a concept which deals with effective budgeting, creative and innovative techniques, which helps in reducing the cost of construction along with high performance, strength, quality, and life of the structure. So, what are the importance of low cost constructions? Time and cost are main concerns which increase importance of reduction techniques. Reduction of cost construction is a coastal goal for construction industry. One way of reducing construction cost is to develop innovative technologies as well as methodologies to increase the productivity. We use some following techniques that are reduce the cost of construction. First, project specifications. A project specification is a comprehensive description of objectives for a development of project. It contains all goals, functionalities, and details required for development team to fulfill the vision of project. The following are the applications of project specifications. There are introduction, objective, design specifications, logic diagrams, success criteria, project timeline, marketing plan, site maintenance, budget. Second, choose a perfect plot location. The height or depth of the plot with respect to road is one of the most significant factors throughout construction. If depth of the plot is way not up to the road level, then the higher amount of filling is required. That are additional cost burden. Therefore, choose a perfect plot for amount saving. Third, select a good architect. A good architect can use a perfect design. Perfect design builds a good construction with proper planning of areas, maintain room sizes without any space wastages. Creative skills. The ability to creative and bring new ideas. So, if you want to be a memorable construction. Design skills. Livable design affects the low maintenance cost for future. Good finishes. That carries the biggest cost of construction, so that are very important to planning a good architect. Fourth, make a simple design. In that simple design, first, foundation. It is costly and important part of construction. That varies 11 to 16% of the total construction cost. Good foundation design can reduce the primary cost of construction. Wall. Construct the internal walls less thickness compare the external walls. When you increase the size of walls, then the cost increases. Flooring. For cutting the cost of flooring, you could use any locally available flooring materials. Natural stones, tiles are some of the locally available options for flooring. RCC member. There are presence of columns, beam, slab, lintel that avoid the excess of extra steelwork out of the design drawings and maintain the proper concrete mix design ratios. Doors and windows. Use prefabricated doors and windows. There are various types of doors available, such as doors with cement board, concrete frame, flush doors, etc. Prefabricated windows are also available in a range of options, such as window with concrete frame, cement board. Roofing. Roofing depends on the climatic conditions of that areas. Complex roof design means more additional cost, and simple roof design means cost of saving. Fifth, choose a right contractor. Project planning responsibility. Plan important project development and implementation in advance. Determine an estimation of issues in the project such as needed materials and equipment. Making sure health and safety specifications are allowed. Excellent communication between client and subcontractors. Determine the legal and regulatory requirements. Project management. Manage the budget for the completion of construction activities. Contractor is responsible to subcontractors for job completion. Contractor used to manage good equipment, materials, and any other service required for smooth flow of the project. Project monitoring. Project monitor in terms of time schedule, safety, work quality, and other project related details. Review, modify, and update the project program dependent on the latest changes and feedbacks. Monitor the economic construction techniques. Monitoring safely related issues. Quality monitoring. Work with skilled laborers for good quality work. Use the materials as a quality standard criteria. Don't compromise the quality check for better construction. Day by day, quality monitoring is important part of construction. Use of quality checklist for quality maintenance. Supervise the project. A better supervision to avoid delays, to improve management method, to establish clear communication, to avoid any unnecessary material, the project implement as per design, stick the specifications and good workmanship. So thanks for watching the video. If you watch more videos, then subscribe our channel Civil Organization.